Hello and welcome to another video. This week we're travelling with Eurostar from here in Rotterdam back to London. We do airport style security and passport checks here in Rotterdam and walk straight off the train in London. Now I booked this for £40, very good price because I used a website called Snap.Eurostar. You've got to be flexible with the times that you want to travel, but you can get trains for like £30–35. I paid £40 for this. It's a 3:30 departure, so we get into London about 7 o'clock. So it's a three and a half hour journey. I'm looking forward to this. Eurostar service. We don't know what seat we're sitting at until 48 hours before departure, where they confirm the time of your train and your seat number. I know now that I'm on an aisle seat. I think it's in a 2, not a table. But we'll see when we get on board. I'll see you trackside. I'll just do the formalities getting through security and I'll see you there. Yeah, so I use the Eurostar Snap website for this. It's pretty simple to use. You just put in your start and end locations, the date you'd like to travel, how many passengers, and you'll go through to the next page where you'll be able to see how much it will be for the AM and PM departure slots. You need to be flexible with your time. I chose a PM departure and I got a 3:30 departure from Rotterdam. Great time. And yeah, it cost me £40. Weirdly, it cost £35 from Amsterdam on this day and £40 from Rotterdam. Yeah, it's only a fiver, I don't mind. But you select your PM departure, go through to the next page where you confirm all your details, pay your money, and you receive your confirmation at least 48 hours before departure with your departure time and your seat number. Now what's great about Rotterdam is you can just wander up onto the platform, take a look at the trains, move between platforms, no problem. Just an escalator up and that's it. Yeah, we've got a little bit of time. I'm going to go find a coffee. I've got to find out where I leave from, and we'll go back to London on Eurostar. I'm excited for this one. Oh, and I should probably mention that this train will stop at Brussels Midi, possibly Lille. I need to check. I think it stops at Lille, and then through to St Pancras. It's a journey time of 3 hours, 3 hours 50 minutes. We leave at 3:30 and we get to London local time at 7 o'clock ish. Just look at the bicycle chaos out there. How do you even find your one in that? Oh my goodness. So that's the Paris Eurostar service behind me. Yeah, it's the red version. We're obviously going to get the British version, the blue kind. We need to go through the Schengen area, so I'm going to go through now. It's getting a bit cold. It's an hour and a half before we depart. Let's get moving. Okay, so that's all the formalities done. We're through security, through to lots of border control. Now we're in the waiting area for this Eurostar service. Somewhere down here. This will do just fine.
those passengers who've just joined us on board, welcome aboard of this Eurostar train to London St Pancras.
Okay, so that's us on board Eurostar. Next stop is Brussels Midi, then we're off to Lille, and then London St Pancras. I'm going to get myself a coffee. Let's have a look at the bar.
What train are we getting from St Pancras? We can have a look. I'm going to give you a couple of places to visit there.
Thank you.
Yes, you have it in the can.
So I have my coffee. Quite a few miles to go yet. I'll see what I can film out the window.
This is 123. There you go.
Not much yet.
Is it ready in the sorry, is it ready in the one sandwiches? The sandwiches? Yeah, all the sandwiches are just here. Yeah, so there's one.
I know, I'm in the vestibule again, but we're really moving now. Easily 250. I'll have to check my phone to see exactly how fast we're going, but we're speeding along. We'll soon be in Brussels. Okay, so I've had my coffee. I'm going to go back to the seat and I think I'll do a bit of editing. And I'll let you know when we get to Brussels Midi. So this is Brussels Midi, next stop Lille.
Please be aware that our trains are fitted with sensitive smoke detectors, smoking including electronic and vapor cigarettes, therefore strictly forbidden. Thank you.
So we're in the Lille area. Now we turn north and go towards Folkestone through the Channel Tunnel. Now the Channel Tunnel takes about 35 minutes. The train travels at 87 kilometres an hour. It's about 50 kilometres long, that's 31 miles, and we're going to be heading north after we get through Lille. I had to come out to the vestibule because that compartment is so hot, my eyes were beginning to shut, because as you may know from a couple of videos ago, I was up at a Sparrow's Fart to start filming. So yeah, I've come out to the vestibule. I might get a Coke and I might hang around here for a little while, but yeah. Outside the window is the countryside around Lille. And what's that thing up there? It's the first time we've seen that on this journey. Okay, so that's us in the Channel Tunnel. We're about halfway through the other side, London.
Closely when narrating from the train. Thank you for choosing to travel with Eurostar, the green way to go. We wish you a very pleasant evening and look forward to welcoming you back soon.
So that was Eurostar from Rotterdam to London St Pancras. Let me know if you'd use Eurostar to get from Netherlands or Belgium to get back to London, or vice versa. Yeah, I enjoyed that. That was really good. Yeah, as I say, I paid I think £35 for this. I'll put it up on the screen. Yeah, it's much cheaper than flying, but is it better? If you've got the travel bug like me and you like spending the time, it's well worth it. But if not, maybe flying's the best bet. But let me know what you think down in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. See you next week.